Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see. Go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. Oh, it's been a while. I've been planning and waiting for this. It's been a long while. It's been a while, Macau. Up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow. It's been a while, and it's gonna be a long time again.
Okay, this is called Mercadores Lane, Travessa dos Mercadores, and I'm just going to be trying to keep updated on the street and capture it in time because it is going to transform. There's a crane right here, they're doing some work there, we'll see what that's all about. And they're slowly getting this developed as well, so we're going to see what that's all about. We're probably going to go around this whole building, and but we're going to focus on Mercadores Lane. Before we do go down, you can see some other construction down here too, so I want to walk by that as well. This is on St. John Street, São João. But this is going to be our focus. Travessa dos Mercadores in Taipa Village. Travessa dos Mercadores up on the map so you can see exactly where it is in Macau, Taipa, Macau. And without further ado, we're going to get into the walk and talk. But we have the music that's going to be going up the screen now, so you can see what the lyrics about. I fed that into AI, wrote the lyrics. And now we're going to get right into the walk and talk, so you can walk down the street as if you were there yourself. So let's go check out Travessa dos Mercadores in Macau, Taipa Village. Yeah. Got our beautiful Taipa street lamp right there. Got Park Coffee right there. This one says Grand Premier Consume Zone. I don't know, it's pharmacy, I guess it's new. We're going to come back through this way in a minute, and then we'll conclude over there, but you can kind of see this building, which is going to be one of our focuses for this one. Foci? And then down this way there's some other places too. Maybe we'll just go down there briefly as well. But this is the St. John Street. And there's this little Harley's bar right here. There's some, looks like there's people there today too. So few places around here. Okay, so let's go back down to our focus street since that's our focus. Here's the Gloria right next to it. Okay, so this is, my understanding of this particular place is it took maybe 20 years, I think that's the story. And they kind of slowly bought out lots of these little places around here until they were able to own enough of it that they could build this whole property, like completely restructure it. So slowly we're going to see that, and it's kind of cool because I used to walk by that quite a bit, and it was just kind of an empty lot here for a while. Part of it was just a bunch of mix of different things, but now they're going to have, I think, like a food court, and I don't know, we'll see it when it's finished. And they also have some other stuff over here too. This crane has been in here for a while, doing something here. So we'll see what happens with that. This is kind of cool, this little space, this little vehicle here. And right there is Nando's. It's Fernando. So this one and this one, Macau, they're kind of making up this nice evening feel right here. So you have some places you can sit outside. And some good menus here too. Let's see. So yeah, I can sit out here. And then, I don't know, we'll see. I think later there, I hope there's gonna have, sometimes they'll bring tables out here in the evening, but it's kind of back and forth with the government. So we'll see how that all plays out. And then we have Macau right here. Just say, got the YouTube today. So just show some of the food here. So this has some really good foods, codfish, clams. That looks really tasty. And that one's Macau. And then we also have these some other stuff around here too that's kind of changing a little bit. So let me just kind of go by a little bit. This is the other side of the Gloria. So Macau has a couple chairs here. And this goes back down to Harley's is over there, and then there's some art exhibition. There's some space right there that's a little bit beyond ours, but this is another one with some art exhibition space. I think it's Fate as well. Hello. And then we're gonna meander down this way. That was our Target Street right there. I just want to just briefly bring the camera over here because you kind of get a better feel for the whole area if I show you around a little bit more. But so you have more Taipa village, more beautiful streetlights, nice buildings, and they're continually metamorphosizing into something different. Let's just go up to this main street just so you can kind of get some context. So lots of different Portuguese restaurants here. This one is Antonio, which always wins these Michelin Guide awards. This is really photogenic. This is a little house of, it's like Bem Casados, like the street of good marriages or good houses, good homes, something like that. Casado. And then this is one of the main streets where, so it's a one-way street, but the cars will come down here. So you'll see lots of cool stuff over here. There's Bella Taipa. We're gonna walk by the other side in a minute. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna head back in. And this is just so photogenic right here, so every time I get a chance to film it here, I will. I think the most photogenic shots would be kind of capturing it from this angle, in my particular opinion, because it has all the beautiful colors like that. And then coming down, and then also these lanterns too, right? Okay. So we're gonna meander down in this way. So yeah, all these really beautiful homes. And we could go down that way as well. I'm gonna kind of meander back down this way. That way we get to walk past our Target Street again. That's some other cool stuff too. There we go. So we're gonna watch this change quite a bit, so we're capturing it in time on this date. So all that stuff would be gone later, all the scaffolding. Then we'll kind of go around a little bit so I can show some of the other stuff as well. Oh, let me see. And then this is actually some of the same building too. So this yellow is the same one. So there's lots of construction. So this will all be different in the future. And this is another little bar. Hey guys. Let's keep on going. They're eating. I don't want to catch them with a mouthful of food. There's little alleys in here too, but we're gonna go all the way around. Macau. So actually this corner has a few Macau things, so including this one. And then including this one as well. So good for photographer. Okay, so we're gonna these lanterns are amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. Some rich flowers there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on meandering down. And we're gonna be showing some more things that are in process. Old Taipa Tavern's right here, but you can see a building right on the other side of it. There's Brazilian waxing. You can actually sit outside, which is quite nice. But yeah, this building is also being transformed as well. So let's see how that turns out later. Kind of give you a little bit. So this is the other street over here. So we'll just walk over that way real quick. Just to kind of fill in the gap so you understand Taipa Village fully if you're... So this is kind of a main street with lots of restaurants. So as you can see all the way down. And there's more restaurants that go all the way down towards Galaxy Casino. Let's go around this way. Then you can see this one right here is Galaxy Casino. And then these are all restaurants all the way down. So this is all part of Taipa Village. There's a little mountain up there. You can see that in the background. Temple, of course. And then we're gonna walk by OTT. And yeah, this is the other one. We're gonna see how that transforms in the future as well. The one on the left. This one on the right is kind of an institution. Meaning it's been there for quite a while. And definitely a heart of the expat community. And the city's changing quite a bit as well. Taipa Village in particular is changing quite a bit. This one as well, this is relatively new. The last 2 to 3 years. Got Mexi Express. And now we're gonna come back out. Travessa dos Mercadores. So yeah, we'll see how this transforms over the coming months. And we're on Travessa dos Mercadores.